Today is Wednesday the 21st, 2024, and here we have the first video for board serial number 124572 for Ike Corporation. Already painted, ready to go under PO 33165. And on this video we're showing the board. It's being powered via J5 positions 1 and 2 with 24 volts DC. As specified, we have the positive at J3 position 2 and the negative of the 24, or the return, at J3 pin 1. As we can see, the board is inhibited. We don't have a phase loss on J5, signal on J5, but the board, just by having the 24 volts DC power, we see that the board has a phase loss and it's inhibited. And the green LED, it's on because it has power. Now, here on this channel 1, we are monitoring on J3 position 5 the phase loss, because we have a jumper on J6 between positions 3 and 19. So right now, we see that this signal, it's low. It says I have a phase loss, and we see that it's not moving at all. And we see that here the LED is not flashing, is not blinking, or at least we couldn't see it. So we're not counting on our eyes, we're looking at this. So now we are going to bring in from the 240 volts, we're going to use our Variac. We're set it already to about 48%, so that we bring here our phase references via J5. Go ahead and plug it in, Tony. And we see here that the board hasn't been upset. Now I'm going to go ahead and plug in and bring in 240 that goes through my Variac, and now I'm measuring 110. That's what I'm bringing in. A, B, and C. Now we see that the board, well, it happens to be enabled, but let's, more importantly, the board cleared the phase loss, and now we can see that that signal went to 0. So I'm going to go ahead and let's take a look at this. If I lose J5, it just came back solid, not blinking, not moving, and there it's up again. And we can see on the board the 240 is there. If we lose the 240, it's there, but it's solid. Once it switch, it's solid, and now it's clear. Now let's go ahead and inhibit the board, Tony. Okay, so it is there. We notice that again, we have the phase loss is cleared, the 110 is present. Right now we're keeping the board inhibited. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn this off. The board remained inhibited because we were inhibited. Now it's inhibited not only because of this, we can let it go, but because of the phase loss. But the phase loss signal, it's pretty solid. It's not blinking at all. This is basically what we want to demonstrate with this board serial number 124572. We're going to take board 73 in the second video, and we're going to go through the same.